cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe California is really doing this. Check this video out. So for those of you guys don't know, now you know, right? So when you're in Nevada, right, on the 15, and you know where the ag station is, right before the scale, now they have the DOT people at the ag, as soon as you pass it up, with none other than CARB. And they're standing out there and watching all these trucks go across before they hit the scale. Yep, I couldn't believe it. They're really trying to stop old trucks from entering California. So far, this week I've seen them twice. So just be careful, guys. Be aware of it. And now you know. Till the next video.